Welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. Today I'll be showing you how to code a factorial in MATLAB. Why would you want to know how to do this? Well, maybe you have some sort of function that you're coding that requires you to find the factorial of a certain number or value. So I'll be showing you how to code a factorial in MATLAB today. Check out the video description as I'll try and leave written instructions there. So let's get started. I'm in my file and I'm just going to zoom in a bit so the code's easier to see. Right, so it's actually really simple because MATLAB already has a function that allows you to do this. And basically all you're going to do is literally type factorial and then a pair of round brackets, and inside those brackets you put in the number that you want the factorial of. So now if I run this, as you can see in my command window, I get the answer here, which is 6. And yeah, that's basically it. You can obviously just give this write it as a variable so that you can use it later on in the code. And yeah, that's basically it. If you wanted to know how to code a factorial in MATLAB, this is the easiest way I know how. And if you know of another way, then leave a comment below and make sure to subscribe for more videos.